Hello everyone, once again welcome back to another video. Moi share gule ase about job recruitment 2023 laga share koribo aru channel din notun se ase gule subscribe koribole aru like koribole share koribole nabar video tak sabi Indian 1 year job recruitment 2023 edu vacancy bishi ulai gina ase. Name of the organization Indian 1 year. Apply mode, apply through online mode, no any fees are required, 100% free to apply in KISS Airport Job 2023. Job role with location airport, station in charge and customer service executive. Location Bhubaneswar, Coach Bihar, Jamshedpur, Jaipur, Kolkata, Raipur, Utkila, Visakhapatnam. Secondly, security in charge and security executive laka hobo. Location to Bhubaneswar, Coach Bihar, Jamshedpur, Jaipur, Kolkata, Raipur, Utkila, Visakhapatnam. Or next day, technical officer lagado. Location Bhubaneswar tadi hobo. Aro 4-day captain lado location itu bi Bhubaneswar te hobo. Aro 5D first officer location Bhubaneswar. Aro 60 store giver location Bhubaneswar. 7D airport medical staff location Bhubaneswar, Coach Bihar, Jamshedpur, Jaipur, Kolkata, Raipur, Utkila, Visakhapatnam. Aro number 80 accountant executive lagado location Ahmedabad tadi hobo. Aro 90 ID executive lagado location Ahmedabad tadi hobo. Aro number 10 di HR and admin executive location Ahmedabad. Indian 1 year categories airport job lagabo. Industry aviation industry lagabo. How to apply? All Indian candidate can apply in 2023 career opportunity at Indian 1 year. Male and female both can apply in airport job 2023. Aro itu all Indian apply koribo pare. Motabi magibi apply koribo pare. Aro itu online registration hobo. Aro age limit hobo. The minimum age must be more than 18 years and the maximum age limit is 38 years old. Apply koribo pare. Salary based in industry. Salary will be according to the post and qualification hisab pura hobo. Application fees 100% free for all candidates hobo. Itu application fees to free hobo. Educational qualification required for airport job vacancy 2023. Candidates should have passed class 10, 12 diploma, any graduate and any postgraduate extra from recognized board or university hobo lage. Kindly check the official notification for more education qualification detail. Notification link is given below. Edu class 10 upper kan sob apply koribo pare. Interest thakan aro eligible thakan edu official laga link ase. Yadi jaikena more detail check korikena registration koribo pare. Class 10 upper hokan. Aro ki laga designation di apply koribo tadi option dibo. Edu laga link di jale option dibo apply koribo pare. Next job vacancy cabin crew campus working interview female only. Itu magi khan nimitiabo. Venues Embrem Skill Training Institute Wiki Colony near IMC Hall Dimapur Nagaland. 12 October 2023 8 AM onward day hobo. Eligibility criteria age 18 to 27 years. Minimum qualification 12 pass. Minimum height 155 cm hobo. Interest thakan aro eligible thakan WhatsApp number de height age and qualification itu WhatsApp koribo pare. Itu laga last date 5 October 2023 itu hobo. Thanks for watching. Aro next notun update ani thakibo. Bye bye. See you next video.